As of 10 p.m. July 28th, the new eastbound tracks between Wilson and Ardmore are now open, completing Stage B of the Lawrence to Bryn Mawr modernization. I got on the first northbound train at Wilson, headed up to Thorndale, then back down to Bryn Mawr and Argyle to check out the new stations. The train I was on wasn't going as fast as I expected. It's a bit concerning that trains aren't reaching top speed on a brand new stretch of track. Hopefully speeds increase with time as operators get more used to this stretch, as that could be an explanation for the lower speeds. The ride was also very smooth, as I would expect. It sort of feels like riding the Orange Line along its elevated viaducts, except much smoother and quieter. The trains were also making a new sound that I really like. So Bryn Mawr is southbound only due to space constraints east of the new tracks. This is expected as one of the main ideas of the rebuild was to widen platforms by taking up the entire width of the corridor. The new platform is also a good place to film as you can get trains passing by at full speed. The high amount of sparks you see here are because of the rust that'll eventually be wiped away once trains run on the tracks enough. The Argyle station actually doesn't serve Argyle at all. It's still called Argyle as it wouldn't be worth creating all the new signage for a station that's only going to exist for 2 years. The station only has entrances at Foster and Winona, which is pretty convenient for transfers between the Red Line and the 147. The station is an island platform serving trains in both directions. This works because the platform sits over the new southbound track, and southbound trains switch over to what will ultimately be a middle track when arriving at the station. Ultimately, I think these new tracks are excellent and meet the standards of what elevated tracks built in 2023 should be. They even put a special wrap on a train to commemorate this opening. So with that, I'll conclude my tour of the new RPM tracks. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to subscribe and check out some of my other videos.